We're going live in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is Anthony here with the Eating Mandate LLC, restoring lives one home at a time. Got my man Brian here, who has been experiencing a once-in-a-lifetime occurrence. Don't laugh. Oh, you walking away, man? All right. So coming at you. This is really like reality TV for real, man. Oh. Is that a bag of like canned tops? 2 bags? Oh man.
Keeper, antique.
These are antique. Oh man, you just bust the bag too. Okay, so we are here at our latest acquisition. Finally cleared things out. The day started off a little tumultuous, and now things have calmed down. I think we have an understanding now with the sellers about what we are intending to do with this property, aka we want to get everything out. We want this place to be butt naked by the end of the day. And literally this is the second time we're cleaning out this room. It was literally empty on Monday and then filled back up with stuff on Tuesday, with stuff that the previous owners wanted to keep, and now we are emptying it again. So we've cleared the room, stuff's on a truck. It's going down to their residence, and we are going to literally clear everything else out. They would have liked to have another week or so, but really and truly it's been 2 months since we first signed the contract to close on the property. And it's been now 2 weeks since settlement. And so what we said is, after today, this property is off limits. We are literally going to pack everything up, throw it in the truck, whether it looks like garbage or trash to us or not, and they can sort it out at their house, right? So I think we've extended, would you agree that we've extended pretty much every courtesy that we could have?
So we're gonna pack all that up too?
All of them, man.
Oh man.
Well, all right, wait a minute. What did they say about this? Anything?
They're coming back tomorrow to get it.
They said they coming? Nah, I'll tell you what. Y'all can't get to it, I'll get to it. It's gonna go
No,
today.
we'll get to it. I mean, that's
going
what,
today.
they said they're coming. I didn't know they weren't allowed to come back tomorrow.
No, it's coming back to their house. They can come back, but I'm not kicking them out. I'm just saying that
No, I hear what you're saying.
their involvement with the decision making around here is over at this point. So we're taking back control of our property.
There you go.
Yeah, actually I could use this box because I need to put this stuff. Yeah, if you got any good boxes, I got all this. I was trying to clear their cabinets out, man. That box burst with all the glass and crap in it. So whatever cups and stuff, glasses, I'm gonna give that to them. Sweet, that'll work too. Thanks, man. Gotcha. All right, so we are now taking back command and control of the operation. Yeah, it's exciting. So Josh, Matt, Brian have been absolute beasts throughout this entire process. We literally need to clean out this bathroom as well. Like, we are chucking everything. Yeah. Okay, let me turn my ringer off. Wow. And it's exciting work. I mean, it is pretty cool. We are actually adding value to this neighborhood to the point where a lot of the neighbors have been tuned in to our videos and have literally been coming by, offering advice and wisdom, even some insight into things that have transpired in this property over the last 12 years. And yeah, this is one for the ages right here. This is one for the books. We definitely could have. Hey Dave, what's going on, brother? Dave, my neighbor's watching. Cool, man. What's going on? Yeah, but I'm really kind of amazed. I'll show you guys where I kind of flubbed up at. Actually, I could probably use this bucket and put some of this stuff in this bucket too. Take over there. What's in here? Anything? Nope, that's the trash box. Anything in that box? This is a good box. Cool. And we'll get all that stuff in there. Yeah. Are we parting ways with that? I'm joking, man. Yeah, I gotta stop, man. Y'all think y'all done been traumatized now. Y'all can't. Y'all done been traumatized now. I got Matt earlier. Oh man. I think she wants to keep that mattress though. Like seriously. I'm actually being serious about the mattress, but I'll pretend like I don't know where it's at. And it's amazing how much work and how much faster and smoother things go when those guys are gone. All right. All right, now that we can speak candidly, give me a debrief on how things have transpired today. Matt, you were here from the beginning this morning, right?
I sure was.
Yeah.
Never seen nothing like it before.
It kind of started off with a little bit of harsh words and feelings from the previous owners today, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well,
I don't know. I don't think you can satisfy them.
I don't believe
No matter
either, man.
No matter what you do.
You know what? At this point, man, I'm not even trying anymore. You know, I think like I said, we talked, gone over and beyond what anybody else would have done for these folks, and you know, now it's just bad to one of the neighbors actually came and said, man, the joke's on you for letting them take you for a ride like this. I'm like, you know what? Good point, man. We're over that. So.
Yeah, all that trash from the garage that I came back.
Just your trash trailer now. Everything in there going in trash. Was it a dump?
Yeah.
Or is that stuff? Okay, cool. I'm actually not joking, man. I think she wanted to keep that mattress.
I told us at first she did.
She wants it?
Not now.
What mattress?
I think she changed her mind. I think that's why it's in there now.
Oh, really?
When we first started,
She wanted it.
in this room.
No, she wanted the one that was in her room. That's what he. No, seriously. She's like, yo, that's his.
Holes in it and shit.
Yeah.
Oh man.
That one stuff.
I'm serious. Like, she's upset. I'm like, look, we took that out. Man, it was already chewed up and all this color.
That's not what we were afraid to touch.
Yeah.
Futon's still upstairs too.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah. She wants to keep that.
Well, I'm telling you what, man. Drop this stuff off in the front yard and be done with it, man.
Yeah, man, let me figure this out here with this other job, because they're not going to have time to get this unloaded.
Dish! Dish! Man, that freaking dust and pollen and crap. Man. Hard out here. You know, it's still a blessing, man. It's a blessing that we're able to help these folks out. It's a blessing for the next house. Gotta keep that in perspective. So anybody new out there that's getting into investing, especially getting into, you know, fixing and flipping houses. You know, the first houses I did were pretty much just cosmetic. And now, this is the first one. It's like a major reconstruction. And yeah, so sometimes things don't go necessarily the way you plan it, but it's all part of the journey. Something I always tell Cody. Every problem has a solution. You have to think creatively to figure it out. And it's still cool. Man, Dave Surgener is like, yo, Chad's actually working today, huh? He said,
Make me sweat.
yeah, Dave, that's cool, Dave. Hey, Chad, less talking, more walking. That's what he said, dude. Oh, man.
These guys are a lot younger than me. I gotta let them do the majority.
Yeah, even though he looks like he's like 20-something, you know? Yeah. Good Lord, man. Wow. I'm still amazed, man. Even with the distractions and like the interruptions, To get this far in 3 days, man, it's just.
Yeah, there's a lot.
I thought you were full of it when you said 2 days. Well, like you, yeah. I got some glassware too. I got to get off the ground in the back. Throw that in the truck too. Like, here you go. Yeah. I don't have any sympathy, man. I've had literally 2 months to get this crap situated. Hey, Miss Pat. What's going on? All right. Well, we're gonna get back to it. Let me get back to the mess I made back here with this with these glasses. Yeah, I kind of messed up with that box there, so that's what I was telling you about. I had to put some of this stuff in here. If it's broke, it's broke, whatever. Yeah, that's how I'm feeling right now. You know what I mean? Like, that's how I'm feeling. That's just how I feel. Man. All right, y'all. Well, thanks for tuning in. This is day 4 of renovation, day 3 of move out or clean out, whatever you want to call it. And we'll keep you guys posted. Anthony with the Eating Mandate LLC, restoring lives one home at a time. Here with my man Josh, getting it done. The look says it all.